Hi everyone, hi. My name is Phát. My full name is Lê Đức Phát. I am on the way go to work. Let me show you how is my farm and what what is my work every day at the farm. Okay, let's go to the farm. See you later. My farm is small over there. You can see here's this farm is very huge. From this side, from that side over there, uh, to over there is very big farm. Okay, let's go faster. Hi everyone, I'm Fat. I'm back again. It's so sunny outside. You see, it's now it's the 11 now it's 11 a.m. In Israel, and I have stay here for 10 months. I still have 1 month more. Then I back to Vietnam next month. Okay, before I introduce to you, I show you how's my farm. Let me introduce a little about myself. As you know, my full name is Lê Đức Phát, right? You can call me Ariel. I'm third year student. My major is veterinarian. I am studying at Nông Lâm University, and I decided to quit the university and come to Israel for joining the agricultural training program at Ramat Negev Center in the middle of Israel. In the middle of Israel, and they set my accommodation up at the kibbutz Revivim. The kibbutz Revivim in the deserts, in the Negev deserts. Okay, here's my farm. Here's the gate. Go inside the farm. I choose the bosses the position here because of the shadow of the olive tree. Make me feel comfortable to talk with you. Okay, let's go ahead. Go inside the farm. Okay, you know this farm is one of the top 5 biggest farm in Israel in dairy industry, and on the break. This farm established the same year. Is the same year established this kibbutz. Maybe it's over 70 years old already. And this have a big farm. It have over 2,000 cows until now, and have 1,000 dairy for milking include. Okay, this farm this is sample quite technological farm in Israel. They invest a lot of money on the milking system. You see, in front of you we have the old milking system. I gonna show you later also, and on the left we have the new milking system. I surely that also gonna share to you. Okay, and this farm we have the two and for four boss. This farm have a lot of the worker from Thailand, Vietnam, and Germany, Israel. On most of them Israel, and sometimes have the volunteer. They are the children in the kibbutz. They come to work for fun and to beat their free time. Okay, in front of you we have, this is the general management room. Every morning my boss come to this room, and inside this room we have a system, a management system of this farm. All of the thing of the farm, the cow health, the healthy daily broth, and what happened with the cow. What happened with the cow? We can know through this system. They manage all of the farm. This farm is so big, but only 20 men worker, include 4 boss. Yeah, only it's going to be close already. Okay, I'm back. You see the small table, the small board here. Every morning my boss come to this general managed room, and the computer ring the work, the working tape, the working paper for him, and he show us here all of the thing what we need to do on the day, gonna show on the paper. Yes, you see that's so technique, and it's easy to manage the worker and show the job for the employee here. Every morning we just come to the farm, check the signature here, check the signature, and go to take the working paper and break what gonna we do today, and just go to work. Nobody manage us. Everything is seem automated. And far from away over here, over there, have a small room. We call it the baby room. The baby room after the cow born there. After the cow born there, and the worker bring the baby to this room to take care. It's the baby room. Okay, I'm gonna show you later the old system first and the new system of milking, and the baby room after that. I'm gonna show you how I work every day and what's my job every day. And in the last video, maybe I take a shot of my working in the milking system every day. Okay, see you. Okay, I'm fine. I'm back. Let me take off my hat because I'm inside here. It's not comfortable for me to introduce you. Let's show you is the old milking system. This is you from maybe 1995 until 2016. Just last year to change last year, and the new milking system they have used for 1 year already. Okay, let me show you the right detail of this. The milking system, we have, you see the tongue. When the milk come from come from here, and they go through they go through something to remove the dust and go to the tongue here. This milking system still used in Vietnam, and some farm Israel, some private farm they use this milking system if they have a lot of cow. Now this farm have over 1,000 cows, so they use new milking system. You see faster and bigger and more productive. You see the old milking system. Maybe I think they gonna sell it or remove it one day to do something is better, it's more benefit. And you see this small machine here. This is for the ill cow, the disease cow. The cow cannot work, and the worker ring the machine come up to them to help them to take the milk out. Here is you see the working schedule for Vietnamese, for Thailand, and for Israel, for Israeli, and some volunteer from Germany and some the other countries. Okay, I'm back. I'm here at the pregnant cow cage. In the pregnant cow, we have two bags. One bag which is only the cow the first time milking, the first time get pregnant, and the other bag for the cow with maybe over second time get pregnant, because of the first time they okay, let me show you in front of because of the first time the cow they worry about the risk of Vuvuzela disease. So when the cow pregnant get born in the first time, they separate the cow with the two small gates over there. Yes, the Vuvuzela can infect the other cow through eating by the other cow. And this box, you see the you see the vans separate two parts of this group. Okay, I'm gonna show you. In this bar, the food here is less rottenly protein than the other cow, because they don't want the cow is have meal. So they this food is, we call it the rye food. Only rye seed, only rye wheat, only rye seed, and not have lots of protein here, lots of nutrient here. Only food for get full. And we have a small room here. We call the hospital for the cow with the disease in the foot and mouth, cannot walk, or the hot fever. We also have the hospital, but I'm gonna show you later. Okay, see you. Okay, you have visited the pregnant cage and the general office area. Okay, later I'm gonna show you around the farm, and then I show you the baby room, and the food center. This is the missing truck. Is have the worker at the farm miss the food is easier. This is actually is also used in a lot of countries. It's very common now. You see the missing car. See, make the food. I'm gonna show you later at the food center that you can know how it's replaced to this truck. Okay. And after that, I show you how am I walking, how do I walk in the new milking system. It's over there, just over there. Okay, let us show you. Okay, this farm is quite big, so they set up the electric car here for us to go around this farm. Okay, before I go to around, I need to put on. Okay, I'm having a boot right now. Is it gonna more convenient for us to go around? Okay, let's go. You see, I'm here on the. Okay. Okay, let's go around the farm to visit. It's quite noisy, so I cannot show you clearly. Please, sometime I'm gonna be quiet because of the noise of the moon. Because the moon not an electric car. I don't know why they call it the moon. We have the other missing truck here and some tractor over there. You see, have tractor. Every day they polish the surface of the cage. That's gonna make like a sofa for a cow. That they feel comfortable after milking. And this is the food sensor I'm gonna show you later, surely. Okay, this we have three. We have 11 cage like this for the milking. Milking cow, milking dairy. I surely I cannot show you all of the live protein of the dairy in this farm. I just show you some special thing. I just show you some special thing of the farm and show you around the view. Over there have a lot of olive field, and this kibbutz is set up at the middle of the deserts, in the deserts. We have a lot of cage for a lot of age of the cow in their live routine, in their live growth. And they say the disease cow is very serious in the disease. Vuvuzela is got. Oh, they have. They're gonna take care and rescue her. But if the rock lump is so big, the cow gonna die. Here is the moon of the cow. They sell it every 30s. Every 30s of the week. They sell the bull for the manufacturing. Okay, I'm right in the mid on the bar between two kind of age of the cow. This is the cow is smaller. They are trained from the baby room when they can eat and ring by themselves. The cow is passed to here, and after that, when they more broader and the cage of the cow is crowded, the worker gonna pass the cow from this cage to another cage. Here, you see the cow is quite bigger than right, and at this rope they're gonna separate the male cow, the female cow. The female they're gonna bring to home for meat, for meat. And the male cow they bring to the roof is beside for the semination. I stand here in In the group we call it group 1. I show you one of the most important thing that I like in this farm. This way is this. You know, is he get out of here? Is he not here now? I show you the small thing like iron they put inside the stomach of the cow. When they brother that they worry that the cow they eat some iron, and this big gonna remove all of the iron for the cow. I'm gonna show you the picture after this right now. Okay, you see I'm here on the pathway of for the cow walking, go to milking. Maybe I show you important thing of the saving energy in Israel right now. More than over 90% of the energy in this farm used from the solar banner, the solar energy. You see, they cover all of the roof with the solar banner. And one of the other amazing that this farm they control the climate of the cage by the climate controller. You see, this is gonna feel the power of the wind, and they can they gonna change the speed of the fans and open the fans with the tiny water with the fork for the cow automatically. Everything automatically. Okay, let's go to the booth. Every day I come here to support the seminator, and sometimes I support the doctor for taking blood and take the sample. And the most simple work in this farm is clean the water. Every day I go through the farm. It takes me 1 hour or sometimes over 1 hour to clean all of the water here. Yes, here I clean all of the water. I'm quarantined. That the water gonna be fresh and clean. And sometimes I have free time, I clean the scabber here. Actually, the scabber here is automatically to remove all of the bone of the cow to the plant scab at the end. But I have to sometimes, if I have free time, I go to clean the scabber. This farm is quite like some of the farm in Vietnam, but have two different things. Is that they invest a lot of on the technology and for the industry, for the research for food of the cow, and also the milking system, just like this. And the other I think is the same in Vietnam. The bull cow, the bull, they hold it for meat. The moon quite mess because of this very dangerous to go inside long for cleaning. Okay, I go to show you where's the food center and has the food center there. Okay, see you. I'm here over to the food center. Let's show you a view of the food center. gonna show you what it is. Okay, you guys, I'm at the food center where is supporting for the cow. They cannot live without food, right? Here we have a lot of small areas separated with a lot of kind of ingredient, and over there we have a little bite there. You see, this is water. The missing car gonna come every morning early at 5 o'clock, at 5 a.m. and they take a little from it, and a little water. You know, this is the we call it the salty food, like a wrinkle. I don't know exactly this word in English. It might be a wrinkle. Have the stay style, salty for the stay style for the cow to eat. We have three bark. We have three bark here, and this bark is just covered 1 month ago, and we're gonna use it later after everything here is on, and a lot of kind of wheat, a bright wheat also, any kind. I think this kind of food is so expensive. We have a lot of expensive ingredient here. Actually, the person can eat it. You see, here we have this. Every morning I walk here, I usually eat this when I feel hungry. Okay, let's back to the office area, and I show you the baby room and the milking system. Okay guys, I'm here at the baby room, and we have three park. This is the park for the early baby, and this is the repairing park for the worker repair the meal food for the cow. And let me show you the automatic park, because of the cow can bring and eat automatically, and we have the automatic system here. Okay, let me show you guys first. This guy is close, so I gonna more convenient for me to show you the automatically park. Okay, I'm here at the automatically park, and everything is automatic. Because of the cow, after 1 week from this monstrum over there, I'm gonna show you later. After 1 week, and the cow still bring milk, and they can eat a little food by themselves. They gonna pass the cow to this room. At this room, they have an automatically feeding machine. Every cow here, they set up a little chip on their ear, that the machine can realize which cow is ring or not yet ring today, so they're gonna separate it. If the cow ring already, the machine can catch information from the chip, and they close the door here, so the cow cannot go inside to ring. You see, they stand there, but they cannot go inside. And if the cow ring the milk already, if the cow not yet ring milk, this gate gonna open automatically, so the cow gonna go inside to bring milk. They have our job every day come to put the bag of the milk powder there inside the machine for the cow. And after this rub, they're gonna change. They're gonna pass those cow to the small rope over there. At that rope, the cow stop to bring milk. And they gonna start to eat the food like their mother, But this food gonna chop very small bees, very small. So easy for good for their digestibility. Digestibility. Okay, I gonna back to the baby crumb for the early cow. You see, my sticker is break already, so I use my hand. Okay, in this rope, we have some cow. Have a cow after they born from the pregnant dairy rope, and they pass the cow through here. They just born up. They're very big. They have a small speed here to ride the day and the time abroad. Okay, our job every day come here to feed the cow with the milk. After 1 week, the cow gonna pass to automatically area over there. Okay, I'm gonna show you how our job. Okay, I'm here in the repairing room, and our job every day come to take the colostrum from the refree and make it warm with the machine here for the cow medium upborn. And if the dose of the cow is colder than the cow medium upborn, they don't need to base on the colostrum anymore, so we use the milk powder, and we are mixing the milk powder with the hot water for the dose of cow. It is okay. I'm gonna show you later how's my work. Here we have like this. I don't know how to describe it in English. Put the milk inside, and we have a small pump here, like a artificial bump for the cow. We're gonna feed them. So nice. Nho, mùa nho tới rồi. Đang đứng trong cây nho của cái mùa trái cây tới rồi. Mấy cây nó sau mùa đông nó ra lá ra quả quá trời. Thích về. Ngon á, ngon ngọt lắm. Ngon bánh trái rồi. Nè, nho ngọt. Nho ngon lắm. Ngon. Rảnh ra ngồi ăn. Bé nè, người ta nuôi nè. nuôi nè. Đây cò này nó thân thiện, cò thân thiện quá giờ.